नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और स्टॉक मार्केट फॉल कंटिन्यू। ITC IREDA Tata Motors PV Suzlon Energy among 741 stock that hit that hit 52-week low on NSE. Market continued to trade lower for the third straight day. NIFTY50 and SENSEX witnessed a smart recovery from the day's low, but still more than 700 stocks hit their 52-week low today. Check the list of prominent stock as a 52-week low today. ITC minus 0.55%, TRENT minus 1.87%, TMPV 0.46%, Dixon minus 1.66%, Mankin minus 1.24%, Suzlon minus 1.90%. ITC IREDA, Tata Motors PV and Dixon Technologies are among the prominent stock at a 52-week low. Image Shutterstock. NIFTY50 and SENSEX continue to witness high volatility for the third straight trading session as of 1:30 p.m. NIFTY50 is down 30 points or 0.11% to trade at 25,182, recovering from the low of 24,919.80. Meanwhile, the BSE SENSEX declined by 112 points or 0.30% to trade around 82,078. SENSEX hit a day low of 81,124 today. The NIFTY50 index tumbled for the third straight day and weak market sentiment for so far this month, and NIFTY50 is down over 3.5%, declining in 10 out of the 14 trading session of January. Market continued to remain volatile after a sharp decline in the previous session because of the fall in the global stock market indices, fell sell-off and rising geopolitical concern.